If you are looking for a computer vision course on Coursera, this review will show you the best options and which ones are actually worth your time. Computer vision courses on Coursera can help you learn everything from image processing to advanced deep learning models, but choosing the right one matters. Quick tip before we start. If you plan to take multiple computer vision courses, there's a link in the description that can give you a discount on Coursera Plus, which includes many of these programs. Let's break down the top options. First is Convolutional Neural Networks. This is one of the most popular computer vision courses with an extremely high rating, around 4.9 in tens of thousands of learners. It focuses on core deep learning techniques used in computer vision, including image recognition, object detection, and transfer learning. If you are serious about AI, this is one of the most important courses you can take. Second is Introduction to Computer Vision and Image Processing. This is a more beginner-friendly option with a rating around 4.3. It covers the basics like image processing, feature extraction, and simple computer vision models, making it a good starting point if you are new. Third is Computer Vision. This is a more structured, in-depth program that covers topics like convolutional neural networks, GANs, and advanced computer vision techniques. It is ideal if you want a full learning path rather than just a single course. You should also know about advanced computer vision with TensorFlow, which focuses on real-world implementation using TensorFlow and is great for intermediate learners. Now here is the honest part. Computer vision is not a beginner topic. Most courses expect you to have some background in Python, machine learning, and basic deep learning concepts. If you jump in without that, it can feel overwhelming. But if you follow the right path, computer vision is one of the most valuable AI skills you can learn, especially for fields like self-driving cars, healthcare, and automation. So which one should you choose? If you want a strong technical foundation, start with Convolutional Neural Networks. If you are a beginner, start with IBM's Introduction course. If you want a full structured path, go with the University of Colorado specialization. Here is the key insight. The best way to learn computer vision is to combine courses, starting from basics and moving into deep learning. And since many of these are a part of multi-course programs, using Coursera Plus is often the most cost-effective way to access everything. If you want to explore these courses or check if a discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus. The link